your life, guess what? You already know. God is not sending me here tonight or this week that you would be saved from the world, the universe. God got us here. And we are the salt of the earth. Hallelujah. The Bible said that we are the salt of the earth. But the challenge is, if the salt loses its savor, the problem is we're looking too much like the world. We look like the world. We act like the world. We dress like the world. Y'all ain't hear me. Y'all ain't hear me. We dress like the world. Everything is getting higher and tighter. Brothers can't come to church looking for Jesus because they gotta look at you. You ought to feel bad coming in the presence of God looking like that. Come on, somebody. Brothers, sisters don't need to see what you packing. I wish I had a witness here. I wish I had a witness here. Come on, you put it out on the sisters. But sometimes we come up in here, muscle shirt, the devil is a liar. That's the word. You gotta be covered when you come in the presence of God. Touch your neighbor real quick and tell him he ain't scared.